Today we talk about how can you book your tickets on your Get Your Get app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just go down here. So then here can you select any of your tickets you want to book here. So you just select here any of these trips here. I'm going to click to this for example. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then you just click here on check availability here. So then here can you select a date. I'm going to click on this date for example. It's going to show for you like this, and you go down. So then you just click here on book now. So then here it's going to take you to this list. So then here can you select uh, here what do you want to know where you want to be pick it up. If you want to I can add it now, or I don't can't. You just click on select pick up location. So then here you select your location here verse, and you click on book now. Then it's going to book with you. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.